Flip the unit over and remove two 7.5mm screws and four 6mm screws from the bottom cover. Flip the unit back over, open it up, and gently insert the opener pick between the bottom cover and the palmrest. Slide along the edges to pop the palmrest free. Once you've popped the palmrest free, gently lay it down, peel back the tape, and unplug the battery from the motherboard. Flip open the locking clip and unplug the touchpad cable from the motherboard. Flip open the locking clip and unplug the palmrest cable from the motherboard. Peel back the tape, flip open the locking clip, and unplug the touchpad cable from the touchpad. Peel up the rubber covering to remove. Remove three 2mm screws from the touchpad. Lift the palmrest partway up and pop the touchpad free to remove. Replace the touchpad. And replace the three 2mm screws. Plug the touchpad cable back into the touchpad, and be sure to replace it underneath the rubber covering. Plug the palmrest cable back into the motherboard. Plug the touchpad cable back into the motherboard. Plug the battery back into the motherboard. Gently lay the Palmrest down and push down to snap back into place. Close the unit and flip it back over. And replace the two 7.5mm screws and four 6mm screws into the bottom cover.